Hello. Today we're focusing on flat phase cable from Teledyne Storm Microwave. It's a new offering. We have our flat phase 115 series. It's a 50 gigahertz cable. That main focus is to eliminate the Teflon knee. So here's some of the PTFE cords that we used to have, showing where the Teflon knee location is located. Typically it's pretty close to room temperature. This change causes design engineers and calibration issues. But with the new product of the flat phase, we have a different core that's being used, so there's no PTFE. It eliminates the knee. So as you can see, kind of a pure Teflon, then a high VP, still Teflon based in the IMS2026, and then you get your flat phase 115 with this flat line there. It's definitely something that calibration systems and phase array radar systems could be utilized to eliminate phase change and issues in their system calibration. On top of the flat phase, we're also focusing on our VITA 67.3 offerings, as well as our board mount connector offerings. We have a demo board here kind of showcasing some of the offerings that we have, both from PCBs, which this is the board that's in there, showcasing the SMP and SMPT offerings, as well as SMPM and SMPMT, both in edge launch and surface mount, working up to 40 gigahertz. Utilizing that with our cable assemblies and TSM design connectors, we're able to offer a full path solution, going from the board to the cable. Can use VITA blocks, and we offer both nano and SMPM in the VITA 67.3s coming through using our StormFlex cables, including StormFlex 034, 047, and 086, offering high frequency quality signals that's very flexible and very usable in many applications.